Hi, Zach. This is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call today. As mentioned before, I'm just doing small videos showcasing some different ways that you can utilize more leads from your website alone, kind of give you a breakdown of what Google looks for when ranking people on their platform. So as mentioned, I'm going to get that going for you. Starting off with the number one thing Google looks for when ranking people on their platform is content. Content is huge to Google. Let's have a look at your site here. So content is going to be anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So I see a little bit there. And that's it. Okay, so that's going to be huge for ranking you with Google. Let's look at an example, for instance. Anytime you do a basic Google search in a Google platform, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search result. Why? Because it has so much content. Google loves content. So every few days or every few weeks, Google kind of sweeps the internet, finds sites with a lot of good quality content, and naturally just moves them to the top of their platform. This is the biggest key in organic movement of your website up that Google ladder. I'm going to show you some competitions page in your area. This is TNT ChemDry. They're number one in your area. And let's see, so they definitely have some content there, here as well. They definitely have a bit more content. Not a ton, but definitely more than what you have. So just basing my comparison of these two, I would say to beat them on content alone, which is not hard to do. The more content, the higher up you go. I'm going to say 1,500 words on your homepage alone. With that said, every additional page that you have needs anywhere from 750 to 1,000 words per page. And the reason is because to rank for certain keywords, which are specific phrases people type into a Google search, those have to be surrounded by about 250 to 500 words of text. So for carpet cleaning services, you would need content that talked about carpet cleaning, and you might even take it as far as to say carpet cleaning Nashville, Tennessee, things like that. The text that you want to be found for has to be present somewhere in your content. So let's have an overview look at what this means. So this is Ahrefs, and it kind of gives me a breakdown on how you're doing on the internet today. This number, 18, shows that you have some pretty good citations, and citations are anywhere that your name, phone number, and address show up in some type of online directory. So you're getting seen a little bit there. But this DR, this stands for referring domains, is at 0.4. Google likes these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And then as they get closer to 30, Google sees you as a stable business. When you become a stable business in Google's eyes, it pretty much secures you a top spot in that Google platform, which is essentially what everybody wants, right? So let's look at referring domains. It does not matter how many backlinks you get, but the quality of the domains. So for 20 domains to not be giving you much, I'm going to say that these probably aren't the best. Getting high quality trusted domains are what's going to drive this straight up to the top. Going to cause this number to grow bigger, get these two closer together, and create stability for you. You're currently only getting one person typically clicking on your website a month. So you're not getting any business from your website, which is why I'm doing this video. Let's look at the keywords you're currently ranking for. So here's our problem. When anybody looks up carpet repair Nashville or Nashville carpet cleaners, you start on page 2 and go back from there, most of which you're on page 6 or 7 to start at, okay? So this is why you're not getting seen. This text that you want to be ranked for has to be present in your text on your website. And with that, it has to be surrounded by enough text. Google doesn't like just keyword stuffing with no additional text around it. So that additional text is going to be huge, okay? So getting you to rank for better keywords and more keywords is going to allow you to be found by more and more people. Again, just going over the competitions with you real quick, you can see that they're not quite at a 1-to-1 ratio, but they're definitely higher in the ranks, getting about 467 people to click on them every month, as well as ranking for 1,300 keywords. So definitely we have some room to grow. We can definitely, by getting these two numbers up, get you on page 1, get you some more traffic to your website, all right? Lastly, I did mention citations earlier, but I kind of want to go over to what they mean in regards to your Google My Business. Again, these top 3 people are going to get the most business because they're visible. People do not like to search in a search bar and then have to search some more. They want the top things that they look for. These are usually the ones that they're going to get most business. So again, adding tons of citations where your business name, phone number, and address show up on online directories are going to boost you right up to the top, okay? Once you get to the top of the GMB, paired with good referring domains, these two numbers are going to get close to 30, close to that 1-to-1 ratio, give you good stability, great content, again 1,500 words on your home page, 750 to 1,000 on every additional page, and Google will be able to lock you in one of those top positions, okay? Well, I hope this was good information for you. I hope you liked this video. Please do me a favor, send me an email back. Let me know what you thought about it, and I will be in touch soon, and I hope you have a great night. Thank you.